Hey everybody, it's Dave from Train Day, and today I'm going to show you how to create an entire e-learning training course just using a single CSV file. You use any CSV file you want, any information you want, and create the course based on that. Export it to a SCORM package, PowerPoint presentation, however you want, right? So first thing we're going to do is go to Train Day, and I'm going to do create, and I want to do, let's do a custom one, right? Let's say prevent incidents in the warehouse, right? Or let's just say in the workplace, right? Boom. Click next. And for our data source, we're going to use a CSV file. Now, I'm going to use this CSV that I'm going to create right here. And this is just like a mock-up of incidents, right? From a workplace. Incident logs. And I'm just going to download this as a CSV file. And you can see it has just a couple different tables of location, incident type, this type of thing. So similar to what you might have, right? And let's say replace that. And now I'm going to use this as my data source. So I'm going to click on that. Click on data, that right there. So now you can see the same table, right? And I want to use this data. Click use this data. And now, of course, we get kind of a sample of how we want our course to look. And let's just say, let's use this type right here, right? So click on that. And now the AI is going to create a couple samples for us, a couple different presenters, and a couple different fonts. And we want to choose from there what we want our course to look like. So it should happen pretty fast, and it should get us pretty far into our desired outcome of the course that we'd like, right? So we're just going to let the AI do the work, and then we're going to personalize it shortly after that, right? Maybe we want to change the font, maybe we want to change the presenter, maybe we want to clone ourselves and use ourselves as the presenter or somebody on our team. Either way, you could do either one, whichever one you like. So here are our samples, and this actually looks pretty good right here. So we're just going to click on that. I kind of like that presenter, like the background. All right, here's our course. Let's see how it turned out. So the first thing we're going to do is rename it. So I'm going to come in here, let's just call it incident logs training, all right? And we'll take a look at our slides, our video scripts here. Let's just go ahead and change the title to this one, kind of make this how we want it to look, right? Welcome to incident prevention training. That one. I'll put this one right here. We'll move it slightly like that way, and we'll just apply this to all the slides so they all look uniform. There we go. That looks good. We got to change this one a bit because it's let's apply that to all slides, and you can see that it actually read the CSV data and created slides based around each issue, right? So it's using our data, creating a data-driven course for us, right? And then we have our quiz, multiple choice. This is looking good. This is all created off of that one CSV file, which is really helpful for us, right? And if we want to translate it, you can just click this and translate the entire course and the slides into 30 different languages. So now we have a course, video scripts, slides, and everything in Spanish off of that same data, right? And once we're ready, we can go ahead and generate our slides. This looks good to us. We go click yes. And you can just continue generating slide after slide until you're all the way done. Once you're done, you can export it as a SCORM package or a PowerPoint file and do whatever you want to do with that. Maybe you're selling it to small business, maybe you're using it for yourself in your own LMS, or you can always add your learners here and use our in-house LMS that comes with the platform, right? So thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see what you build with Train Day and all your CSV files. See you next time.